canoeing. How you doing, Simon? No, I'm actually glad I had my phone with me. Oh my god, we're canoe. Why are we playing tag in the canoe?
Yeah, I know we're working the canoe. Why you're not it? What? You're not it.
This is great. I love canoeing. Gee, I hope we don't die.
You're not gonna die, genius.
We're going right towards us, Elizabeth.
Elizabeth, turn.
Oh, yeah. You are. Yeah, you are.
Come on, dunce cap.
Yeah, you are.
Seth. Oh, you're not Seth. You're acting like him, though. Simon,
Get away. No.
take his paddle. Take his paddle.
Stop.
Oh my god, he's gonna skip.
Seth, you're it. Well, nice. You're it now. No, Seth's it.
Let's take that.
What?
Let's take that.
No, you are it.
I don't think he's playing.
Yeah, don't.
Here we go. Go, 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 go. What do you think would happen if I stood up?
We fall. Change the center of gravity.
I don't know what that means.
Really?
Seriously, I'm not smart, alright? At all.
I don't like this list.
I don't like this one.
I want to.
Tap! Oh my god!
Freaking kayaks go so much faster.
Can I go back to shore now? Sam!
Sam, are you okay? Yeah.
Sam!
What we did for it?
Sam! Oh, that was great.
Is the water cold? A little bit.
No.
No, Seth. No.
Seth, leave us alone, alright? And we are back on the beautiful shores of Lake Holcomb.
Get out.